Hello, today we are going to solve one problem based on estimation. So let's see what is in this problem. Suppose x and y are two independent exponential random variables with mean theta and 2 theta respectively, and theta is unknown. Now we need to find among these four given options which of these given option or options are true. So let's try to solve this problem. Here x is given exponential with mean theta, and y is given that it follows exponential with mean 2 theta, and f of xy is f of x multiplied by f of y. Now f of x is 1 by theta e to the power minus x by theta, and f of y is 1 by 2 theta e to the power minus y by 2 theta, where x and y both are positive. Hence we get 1 by 2 theta square e to the power minus x plus y by 2, or we can write 1 by 2 theta square into e to the power minus, sorry, here we have 1 by theta also, so we get 2x plus y divided by 2 theta. Okay, so by Fisher-Neyman theorem we can write that this is g theta, sorry, this is g theta tx squared, and this is hx squared. I write here also hx squared is 1 by 2 theta square, and g theta tx squared is e to the power minus 2x plus y divided by 2 theta, where tx squared is equals to 2x plus y is our sufficient statistic. Okay, so the first option is wrong. Now let's check the next option, that right tail test based on x plus 2y is UMP, as x plus 2y is not a sufficient statistic, so we do not get any UMP test. Hence option 2 is also wrong. Now we need to check that whether the option 3 is right or not. So here we are given a hypothesis testing h0 such that theta is equals to 1 versus h1 such that theta is equals to theta 1 which is less than 1. Now by Fisher-Neyman theorem, by Neyman-Pearson theorem, f1 xy divided by f0 xy is equals to 1 by 2 theta 1 square e to the power minus 2x plus y divided by 2 theta 1 divided by 1 by 2 e to the power minus 2x plus y divided by 2. So we get 1 by theta 1 square multiplied by e to the power minus 2x plus y divided by 2 multiplied by 1 by theta 1 minus 1. Okay. Now, as we already know that theta 1 is less than 1, hence we can write 1 by theta 1 is greater than 1. So 1 by theta 1 minus 1 is greater than 0. Now f1 xy divided by f0 xy is greater than c. So minus 2x plus y divided by 2 is greater than k. Hence 2x plus y is less than k1, and we named it as equation or inequality 1. Then we can say that left tail test based on 2x plus y is most powerful for testing h0 versus h1, as I is independent of the specific choice of theta 1, and also we can say that left tail test based on 2x plus y is a UMP size alpha testing for h0. Therefore, the option 3 is correct. Now let's check the next option. UMP test doesn't exist for both tail test. If we test h0 such that theta is equals to theta 1 versus h1 such that theta is less than 1, then MP size alpha test would be 2x plus y is less than k1. But if we test h0 such that theta is equals to 1 versus the right tail test, then the MP size alpha test will be 2x plus y greater than k1, as the MP test for theta is less than 1 and for theta is greater than 1 are different. So we can say that the UMP test doesn't exist for both tail test. Therefore, only option 3 and 4 correct. Okay, so we have successfully solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.